Hi everyone! Today we're making a rich and creamy mushroom stroganoff, an easy, affordable vegetarian twist on a classic comfort dish that's ready in under 20 minutes. This mushroom stroganoff is packed with deep, savory flavor, silky sauce, and that perfect balance of tangy and rich, all without any complicated steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And as always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. Let's get cooking! About the mushrooms. For this dish, a mix of portabella, oyster, and shiitake works beautifully. You get texture, depth, and lots of umami flavor. Today, I'm using only portabella mushrooms, and that works perfectly too. If you're choosing just one type, portabella is one of the best options because it has a meaty texture and rich taste. I'll use 5 large portabellas and slice them thinly. Dice 1 medium onion. Mince and dice 3 garlic cloves. Preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add the mushrooms. Cook for about 4 minutes until all the extra liquid evaporates. Next, add the diced onion and garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally until the onion is slightly caramelized, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1/2 cup vegetarian broth mixed with 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have Worcestershire, use soy sauce. Bring it to a boil, then add 1/2 cup dry white wine. Let it boil again and cook for 1 more minute to evaporate the alcohol. We just want the flavor. Add 1 full teaspoon Dijon mustard. Mustard is an important component of traditional stroganoff sauce. It gives that signature tang. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Two tablespoons all-purpose flour. Stir well to avoid lumps and sauté for another couple of minutes. Finally, add 1/2 cup sour cream. Mix everything together, and as soon as it starts to boil, turn the heat off. Taste and adjust salt if needed, but be careful, it's usually already salty enough from the broth and Worcestershire sauce. And that's it, your mushroom stroganoff is ready. Now, I'll just fix a quick, fresh salad to serve mushroom stroganoff with. I'll make a quick salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and spring mix. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Tastes so good. Serve your mushroom stroganoff with pasta, mashed potatoes, or even rice. Add the fresh salad on the side and enjoy this deeply savory, umami-rich vegetarian comfort food. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you try this mushroom stroganoff and love it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves comfort food. Let me know in the comments how you served it: pasta, mashed potatoes, or maybe something different. Subscribe for more easy vegetarian recipes from around the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!